Look at the stream of water, guys. What a beautiful place. This is truly Switzerland, guys. True Switzerland is this. Wow. Just wow. I feel like jumping in and taking a bath. A bit underdressed because my gloves got wet. I did not anticipate minus degrees and also the rain, which is fine. But I don't wanna continue further because it's only getting worse. I want to exit this. Though I am going crazy into the pass, I feel that I'm a bit undressed. I feel a little cold because it's -3 right now and I have 4 layers inside and still it feels a bit cold. But it's going great, guys. It's going great. If needed, I'll just remove this and wear the extra layers that I have inside. But I'm not stopping. I'm not stopping. Fuck you. And finally, it's snowing now, guys. This is the third terrain that I'm experiencing and it's beautiful. Witnessing all seasons, guys. This is snowy. And the pass is nearby and nobody else. Oh my god, it's so slippery. And nobody else is there in the Vinicity. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. There is the boy. Thank you for enabling this. So this is the desi jugaad that I did to survive. Whatever. I gotta keep going, guys. But yeah, this is one of the motorable pass and look at the snow, guys. Oh my god. Snow is much better than rains. I wish to do some photography, but I don't want to take the camera out, guys. It's all packed inside and it's very heavy. Guys, it feels cold. But it's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. Once in a lifetime opportunity, right? It's freezing here, guys. I'm literally shaking. And the shit is, I have my knit shoes, which are also wet. And the only thing that can keep me warm from inside is this. I really miss my drone. I wish I had the drone. But life is good. Life is fantastic, guys. Life is fantastic. I'm gonna leave soon because I was just told that this might turn into a hailstorm and I don't want to get stuck here. I can feel that it is very slippery right now. I need to be very careful. It is slippery, guys. It is slippery. I need to be careful while leaving. I think the alcohol is kicking in and it's doing its job. It's doing its job. Yeah. Let me just, not too much. I'm starting it. I'm syncing the app with this and I'm gonna go back. The intensity is reducing, guys. Like, I was told that there is a hailstorm and all shit, but there is nothing. Like, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good, guys. It's gonna be good. And I'll see you once I'm in my next location. Oh my god, this pass is beautiful. This pass is beautiful, guys. It costed me 26.28 Swiss franc and 15 liters approx. I mean, the capacity is more, but I had like 3 liters in it already. So the system is quite fascinating. You just put your card here, get it done. Just go there, fill the fucking petrol, whatever it is. Blurry Ferry 95, whatever. Sorry for my German, guys. I'm bad. I'm not German. Let's start the ride back home. I am dead, guys. If not for the heating grips and the heated seat. You see these two logos or icons here. The indicators are for heating grip and heated seats. If not for them, I would have gone long back. I think that's the amazing part of adventurer bikes. When you're touring, you get to access all these things. But my bottom is completely wet, including shoes. So I'm shaking a bit, but I'm surviving, guys. I'm surviving. I'm not gonna give up this fucking shit. It's not like that. Okay. I had a couple of beers. It's acting on, but I think I'll be fine. I will be fine, guys. Another beautiful town. Like all the houses are on mountains. Like there is no house which is on low-lying land, and they have constructed it very beautifully and structurally very strong. Like amazing, guys. 130 kilometers, and this is how my thing has become, and it's amazing, guys. I love the ride so far. It's a bit cold, like -3 and all. It's too much for me to take, and also the difference between Netherlands cold and this cold is completely different. I'm unable to, sometimes take it, but still I'm making it, guys. I've also removed my gloves so that I can heat it from my heating grips, and it's going well so far. It's going amazing, guys. It's going amazing. I'll show you what's happening around. More mountains, surrounded by mountains. So literally they have dug into mountains and made tunnels. I've passed like 10-20 tunnels so far. Guys, the visibility has reduced drastically, and I got to be really careful. Okay, I'm in the clouds. Right now, as you can see. So I just made it to the Airbnb, guys. I love this place. She's so sweet. She's so nice. Okay, I'm cooking spaghetti today. There's a nice candle there. I'm gonna keep my belly happy because since morning I haven't had anything and I feel a little hungry. Also, all my clothes are lying on the dryer. I was soaking wet, guys. I was soaking wet, and the kind lady offered me some pant also. She was very nice. And let me show you the house. This is the kitchen, right? She gave me a free beer also. It's lying there. I'll have it. And then yeah, of course, the spaghetti. So this is the common hall, right? And this is the room that I'm staying. I mean, it's pretty decent, right? Like you don't need a lot to have. So I've just laid everything here because I want to dry. And of course, you know what happens with the dryers. And from the climate outside, it's pretty chill, and it's snowing right now, and it's -5 something. I can't pronounce the name, but I'll share the name. It's beautiful. There's a nice canvas there, and here's the washroom with the tub, of course. Love it. And when said I was feeling cold, she also offered some nice jacket. Very kind, very kind. So yeah, this is how I am. I'm already dressed in my stuff. Today's day was such a test to my endurance, as I already posted. Like I was crazily okay, let me calm this down a bit. You should be good. I was crazily taken down by slushes. I was taken down by rocky roads. I was taken by off-roading, and there was a lot that was happening within the terrains. Like it was snowing a bit, and it was also kind of very slippery, provided the fact that I was underdressed, guys. Like I was fucking underdressed. And the point is, my gloves, I've taken the woolen gloves. I've not taken the proper riding gloves. I mean, I took them, but I lost one in midway, and then it was a fuck all situation. So the woolen clothes got wet completely, and then my hands started freezing. Look at my hands, how dried they are. Like, can you see the difference, right? Yeah, it's so dried, and I had to, do a 140-kilometer ride in the rain with whatever raincoat, disposable raincoat. It's all wet completely, and I had to come back. So such a challenge, and my shoes were lying on the heater downstairs. I don't know if they'll be what do you call, if they'll be dried till the morning, but I have a jugaad for that. I'll be tying up my plastic bags or anything to my feet and the socks, and then I'll just wear them on the top so that I'll have them ready by whatever time it is, because I have to go to another location tomorrow and it's very important for me to set it right. I don't want to miss this chance of wasting a day in Switzerland. Being said, I'll just enjoy my dinner and I'll see you tomorrow with another vlog. Bye bye. No, wait, you think I'll let you finish this? What some amazing Switzerland. Do you want to see some amazing Switzerland? Yes, you are. I'm not leaving you guys, like, you are watching it. Bye bye. Boom.
Love is intense, je serai là toujours pour toi. Love is intense, quand je te vois, mon cœur bat. Love is intense, je serai là toujours pour toi. Love is intense, quand je te vois, mon cœur bat. Love is intense, je serai là toujours pour toi. Love is intense, quand je te vois, mon cœur bat. Love is intense, je serai là toujours pour toi. Right.
amazing. Like I cook good spaghettis, but this is like out of proportion. Like this is not expected. It was really good, and I emptied everything. Also, the kind lady has also offered bread. I mean breakfast for tomorrow morning. She gave me some good home baked bread and some yogurt with butter and local made cheese. I'm gonna explore all that in the morning, but I'll see you then. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.